What's up guys, Tim Trevathan Homes here on another new construction video. I'm gonna try to do more because I know had done a survey recently through the post that I did about a month or two ago. A lot of you want new construction videos, so I want to try to give you guys more of those. So here is Logan Point in Loganville, Georgia. These are townhomes, 66 lots in total, about 11 have sold. So roughly about 50, 55 left, so plenty of opportunity. They're being sold between low 300s to high 300,000s. They've got a really good, strong preferred lender incentive right now, which is 6%. So that comes out to about 18 to 20,000. Can be used either way, whether it's a credit towards your closing cost or flex cash for sales price reduction. What I like about this area is that it's very close to the Kroger shopping center, where there are tons of other stores that are side by side to the anchor supermarket, Kroger. And you got a nice little lake right here. Hold on. Right back there, there's a lake. I don't know if you can see in the video, but this is a good area because you're not far from the interstate. You're not far, maybe 10, 15 minutes tops, to shops at WebGen in Snellville, which is one of the most popular and coveted shopping areas in all of Gwinnett County. Some of the schools are good, relatively speaking. So there's plenty of opportunity here for families, young professionals that are looking to get in as a homeowner. So again, this is Logan Point, built by Century Communities. My name's Tim Trevathan. I work alongside the builder. I represent buyers who need help with their contracts, inspections, appraisals, and so forth. So definitely I can help you. Give me a call if you're looking to make a move to Georgia, interested in new construction or resell anything. I'm here to help.
Okay, so once again, this is Logan Point, located in Loganville, Georgia. This is a new townhome community that just opened up not too long ago. And again, 66 units with 11 sold, so still many opportunities. Just to give you some more information about this community, there are two different floor plans, one called the Aster and the other called the Bradford. Both are 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom floor plans that range from 2214 square feet to 2234 square feet. And also the HOA is $165 a month. There are no amenities, so this is mainly just for common area maintenance. Basically the common area is the upkeep of that. That is what that HOA fee covers. And there are no rental restrictions. Now, as far as the two plans, again, Aster and Bradford, these two are being offered anywhere from $319,990 to as high as $362,145. The price differentiation really has to do with a couple different upgrades that are inside the home, but more often than not, you're going to find these price differentiations having to do with the lot premium. As far as in units go, they're going to be a little more expensive, and then the direction that they're facing is also something to consider. There are preferred lender incentives, and right now they've got a really strong one going on that's 6% towards closing costs, and if the Fannie Mae guidelines say that it cannot go above a certain amount, then it could go towards the sales price reduction. Conventional loans, however, do allow for the full 6% towards closing cost credit. For FHA and VA, there is a rate promotion with a 2-1 buy down, so it's 3.5% interest rate for the first year and 4.5% for the second year, and the remaining 28 years of the 30-year fixed loan will be at 5.5%. Not bad for the current market where the interest rates are at now, which are around 7.5%. So these are some really strong promotions going on. They don't last forever. A lot of times builders do this, especially towards the end of the year, because they want to try to reach a certain quota and get inventory off their books, so to speak. So check it out. As far as cash buyers go, unfortunately there are no incentives because the incentives are tied to the lender. And so if you're not using a loan, there's no incentive being offered from them, and nor are there any from the builder. So just keep that in mind. As far as trying to put a contract on one of these, the way to do it is you basically would have to sign the contract and deposit the earnest money of $7,500 if using a preferred lender, and $15,000 earnest money if using an outside lender. And again, if you are looking at the interest rate and say, hey, my outside lender can beat what they are offering, then it may be a good idea to go with them. My experience in the past has shown that 50-50 when it comes to my past buyer clients choosing preferred lender versus outside lender. You just have to kind of match up and compare the numbers. And as far as investors go, since it is no rent restrictions, then there is a 10% earnest money deposit, 10% of the sales price. So again, if you're looking to make a purchase, whether it's in this neighborhood or another, give me a call. I help represent buyers, even with new construction. And really, you should check out my 2 videos where I talk about the step-by-step process of buying a new construction home, part 1 and part 2. I go in extreme detail of the entire process of buying new construction.